Hello again, it's me, Mark. Hi there. Uh, I don't think I told you this, but last week I got a computer fan that glows blue when you plug it in. But the silly thing was, it didn't have screws, even though when I made the purchase, the fan was described as new. If it's a new fan, why no screws? Okay. In the end, I decided to keep the fan because getting screws is not a problem, and that's what I did. Yes, I got some computer screws, and here they are. Pack of 50. Computer part pack of 50. Mounting PC case fan screws. 50 pack from StarTech.com. Star Trek. StarTech.com. StarTech.com. Okay. All that for £1.94, free postage and packing. I'm waiting for a HDMI cable. I paid £1.97, £1.37, including free PMP. I need that for either for my Freeview HD or my PlayStation 3 console, because I want to use play some Blu-ray players and Blu-ray movies sometimes. In the near future, I keep saying this. In the near future, yeah. I'm getting a Blu-ray internal drive for my computer, and that will able to me play Blu-ray games, Blu-ray movies, which I will get very soon, and maybe even support 3D movies, because I got a 3D monitor. Okay, I want to play 3D movies. They cost slightly bit more than normal Blu-ray, I think. Shit. Sorry about that. My wheel got caught on my lead. My computer chair keeps getting caught on my leaves on the floor. Okay, like I said, in the near future, I will get a Blu-ray player. I'm not sure about live boxing, because when I do a live unboxing, no one comes to the live boxing, which makes it pointless telling about a long unboxing that no one's going to watch. In case you don't know, Chris Perillo's live feed is currently down for me. I'm not sure about you, but it's currently down. He said it's a camera issue. It's not connecting to the live stream, and there's no live chat either. I've already spoken to him through the Facebook page, and he said it has to be it's a camera issue. He did say to me quite a while back there has been problems with the camera, with the live feed camera. But I have to watch his space to see what's happening. And I got night shift today, and I will see you later on. Thanks for your likes and shares. for this video, and. Will you later, Fan Screws. Bye.